My name's Nathan Scoular and I'm the Program Manager for Graphic and Communication Design for Think Education for Billy Blue and CATC at our Ultimo campus in Sydney. There's no two students that are the same, and because of that it keeps you really fresh because you actually have to start thinking about how you adapt to the student rather than the other way around. If you look at education in a traditional sense of being there's a lecturer and then there's a student and that it's a one-way direction of communication or learning, that's an old school model. When you look at kind of the most effective teaching, it's where it's a collaborative process. Particularly when you think about design, design still very much is kind of almost like a mentorship program where it's the lecturer and the student helping each other. And so I honestly believe that design education really is about empowering the student. It's about the student kind of bringing to the table kind of their understanding or their insights on a particular design problem through the life experiences that they've had or the insights that they've gathered. And then it's up to the lecturer to then take that and help the student kind of fully realise that to a completed design process. Certainly isn't a one-way direction or travel of communication. There's a number of things that I suppose differentiate a Think course from, say, a traditional university course. One of it really is about, I suppose, on two levels. One is being connected to industry, where you will find that the lecturers are all practitioners in industry. I think one of the benefits of particularly the pace that our students work at, but then also the way that the briefs are written, is something that mimics industry. So that when you do work as a graduate designer, when you start to take a brief from a client, or when a client does give you a brief, it's familiar. Too often people kind of have a misunderstanding of what it actually is to be a designer or what it is to be a graphic designer. And so I think having an open mind and being able to not kind of keep design in your own mindset, but look at what the potential of the skills that you're learning are, I think that's one of the best assets that you could have as a potential student in our courses.